Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the sample collection quest in Heartopia Call of Whales event of week 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. On week 4, there is a new quest which is called the sample collection, and I've already completed the quest, so it doesn't appear right here. And if you want to complete the quest guys, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can complete them fast. Okay, first you're going to go to your home and you'll see this collection box, and you can unlock this collection box if you have level 15 in your DG member level, if I'm not mistaken. So if you haven't seen this collection box, maybe your level is not high enough. Okay, then you're going to fill this collection box with the sample. Okay, the first one is the flower, and then the bird info card, then fish, and the seashell. Okay, just submit the sample to each part and you'll reach the presentation guys. Okay, I'm gonna submit them, and once you're done you'll get the fashion wave token. Okay, so if you have the sample collection quest, you can go to this collection box and fill them, and you'll be able to complete the quest fast. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the sample collection quest in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!